I'm Dan with weBoost, and today we're going to show you how to easily install the Drive Sleek OTR. The Drive Sleek OTR is a powerful cell phone signal booster specifically designed for the needs of today's modern truck driver. If you're in your truck all day, every day, your cab needs to feel like an extension of your home, and staying connected is a crucial part of that. First, set up the outside antenna. Before you do this, you'll need to choose a place on your vehicle to mount the antenna. This can be any CB mount or mounting point. If your truck doesn't have built-in mounting points, the antenna has a three-way mount that works on mirror rails. Make sure the antenna is mounted in a vertical position above the cab so it can communicate easily with the cell tower. The height of the antenna mast can be adjusted depending on the mounting point. Now the mast should be just tall enough that the antenna reaches above the cab. The antenna can be assembled based on the following height configurations: 17 inches, 32 inches, and 45 inches. Next, you'll need to assemble the antenna. Your kit comes with parts for a few installation options, and depending on the make and model of your rig, you may not need to use all the parts in your kit. Once you've chosen the best location for the antenna, put on the mast extensions to make the antenna the required length and run the cable through the extensions to screw it in place. After that, screw the side exit adapter into place at the bottom of the mast. To add the side adapter, hold the antenna vertically and screw the adapter from the bottom up to reduce cable twisting. The mast has little flexibility, so the included spring should only be used on shorter masts. If you use the spring, install it below the side exit adapter. Make sure the antenna is the correct height for the vehicle, then apply Loctite to all thread points. Use the adhesive mount to secure the Drive Sleek cradle to a convenient place on your dash. Run wire from the antenna down to the booster, which you can place anywhere inside the cab. Once everything is set up, slide your phone into the cradle, switch on the power to your booster, and enjoy a stronger voice and data signal right in the cab of your truck. Do you have any questions about installing the Drive Sleek OTR? Please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.